Hello there, it's Elias here. Today we're going to learn how to create a video with pictures and music using just a smartphone. Something like this. Creating this kind of video is perfect for weddings, birthday, or any other kind or type of celebrations. And you know the interesting thing, you can use your smartphone to create this video. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to use an app called CapCut. So I'm going to click it and you come to this place, create new project. So you go to photo, then I'll select the photos I want to make use of. So I'm going to pick this one. So ensure you have a good and stable network because CapCut requires that for you to do this feature. So you have imported the images to the timeline of CapCut. This is where all the editing happens. After importing your images, you're going to choose a specific ratio you wish to use for your video. So here to select the ratio you would like to use, the camera you would like to use for your video. So I'm using the ratio for the camera for YouTube videos, and which is making the image not to fit well into this frame. So what can you do in that situation? You will try to resize it using your two fingers like this. However, if this image cannot fit into this space, this is what you should do. You go to overlay and add this particular image. Add, ensure you drag to fit in. This is also to let you understand that every image you import comes in 3 seconds, so you can either extend it and limit your your desire. So after doing this, you see you will now click on the first image to enlarge it to fill up this space, and that you will look for opacity by clicking on this for opacity, and you can choose a number depending on how you want it to look. So I'm using 50. Alright, so see how it now. Also adjust this to fit into the middle properly. If you want to add another image, for instance, to fit in this place, just like it's appeared in the output video I showed you earlier, you will add the photo you want. This is the photo I want, exactly what was in that video. You're going to drag it here and fit it in properly, and then you go to max, click it, ensure you align it properly to the first one, and then you go to max, you click on max over here, click horizontal, and you have it, and you adjust it to how you want it to be. Alright, so with this you have these two images display at the same time. The first thing to do is to add animations. So you're going to click on each of the images to add animations. So I'm going to add animation to each of the images. So I go to combo. So you select the numerous animations available. So I'm going to choose this one, zoom one. So this is going to look. So you add up animations for all of your images. Add the same for this one. So you add animation for all of them. After doing that, you can add text. You click text, add text. So I will add something like this: congratulations on your seminar presentation. So after doing that, you can add style, you can change the fonts, you can add effects, then animation, then bubbles. All these are features you can add to your text to make it look professional. So I'm going to add just animation for the purpose of this video. So I'll just add this one. Right. So after doing this, you'll have to check the time frame of the text by adjusting it the way you want it. So I want it to just come in here. So after adding your text, the next thing for you to add is your audio, your music. And you come here to click audio, sound, click sound. You wait for it to load. CapCut has numerous sounds or music you can use, but if you want to use music from your device, you click here. You click from device. It will bring out all the audios or music that you have in your device, and you can now look for the one you want to use. So I want to use this one, and you click the plus button there. So we have the music imported to the timeline of CapCut. So you can split by lighting it, and do this one. You can adjust it. You can adjust it to where you want it to start playing from. So with that, your video is ready, and if you're satisfied with the editing, you can export your video. Like, you can click the arrow pointing up to export your video. While we wait for the video to get downloaded, I hope you've gotten a lot of value from these tutorials. I hope to see you go practice and get perfected in creating videos with pictures and music using just your smartphone. I believe you got a lot of value. If you do, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more. I'll see you in the next one.